AI Meme Arena has just dropped, and it's quickly gaining attention as one of the most innovative AI tools out there for meme creation. But should you really get on board with this new software? In this review, I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether AI Meme Arena is worth your time. Before we jump in, if you want to try out AI Meme Arena completely free, hit the first link in the description below. So, why should you care about AI Meme Arena? Well, this software is designed to take your meme creation to the next level. Whether you're a marketer, influencer, or just someone who enjoys creating funny content, AI Meme Arena gives you the power to automate meme generation. But it's not just about making memes, it's about making the perfect meme every time. One of the standout features is how it uses advanced AI algorithms to generate meme ideas based on trending topics, which helps keep your content relevant and fresh. You don't have to go searching for what's popular, the AI does that for you. This is huge for anyone in digital marketing looking to stay ahead of the curve. If you can tap into viral memes early, you have the power to drastically boost your engagement. Another game changer is its customization options. Unlike most meme generators that just provide you with a template and basic editing tools, AI Meme Arena allows you to fine-tune every aspect of your meme. You can adjust text, choose images, and tweak the layout with a level of control that's usually reserved for graphic designers. Even if you're new to design, this tool makes it easy to create memes that look professionally done. But it doesn't stop there. The platform is integrated with social media scheduling tools, so you can set up your meme campaigns ahead of time and automate the posting process. This is ideal for anyone managing social media accounts for brands or businesses, allowing you to stay consistent without the manual effort. One thing to note, AI Meme Arena's learning curve is fairly minimal. It's user-friendly, with a smooth interface that anyone can navigate. But don't mistake that for a lack of power. Behind the scenes, it's leveraging machine learning and data analysis to suggest memes that are statistically likely to perform well based on user engagement trends. The software even suggests optimal posting times for maximum reach. So, not only are you getting creative assistance, but you're also getting strategic advice built into the platform. Now, some of you might be wondering, what about customization for niche markets? That's another reason AI Meme Arena stands out. Whether you're creating memes for a broad audience or targeting specific demographics, you can customize everything from the tone of the content to the type of humor that resonates with different groups. This flexibility makes it ideal for both personal use and businesses that want to hone in on their target audience. And let's talk about speed. AI Meme Arena is incredibly fast when generating memes. It doesn't just spit out random templates, it produces memes that are both relevant and of high quality, all in a matter of seconds. This means you can scale your meme production at a rate that wasn't possible with manual creation or less advanced tools. In terms of pricing, the software offers a free trial with no commitment, so you can test out its capabilities before deciding if it's right for you. After using this tool, I have to say it's one of the best meme generating platforms I've seen for marketers and creators alike. Now, you might be wondering if it's worth your investment. In my opinion, if you create memes regularly or want to integrate them into your marketing strategy, AI Meme Arena is an absolute must-try. It saves you time, boosts your creative potential, and gives you access to valuable social media insights that would normally require multiple different tools. And don't forget to check out the first link below to try it for free, so you can see for yourself how it works. If you're serious about staying ahead of the meme game, this software is a tool you'll want to explore. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've gathered my personal recommendations in the description below, and you can test some of them out for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.